In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add phone numbers in Notion. If you're setting up a contact list or building a simple CRM, the way you store phone numbers matters. Using Notion's dedicated phone property keeps everything clean, consistent, and, most importantly, clickable, so you can start a call right from your database on desktop or mobile. Let's get oriented. Open the database where you want to store your contacts. You might be in a table view, or you could be using a list or gallery view. The process is the same idea in each, with a slightly different button to press. In a table view, look to the top of any column and click the plus icon to add a new property. If you're in a list or gallery view, use the Add a Property option instead. This tells Notion you're creating a new field that will live across every entry in that database. Give the property a clear name so it's easy to scan at a glance. Something like phone number works perfectly. Consistent naming helps when you scale your database and want to filter or sort later, and it also makes it obvious to teammates what should go in that field. Next, open the property type menu and choose phone. This is the key step. Unlike a plain text field, the phone property is designed to handle numbers in a readable way and automatically turns them into tap to call or click to call links where supported. That means fewer formatting headaches and a smoother experience when you're actually trying to reach someone. Now, click into the cell for any contact and type the number. Include the full number with area code, and if you work internationally, add the country code for reliable calling. You don't need to worry about adding dashes or spaces perfectly. Enter what's natural for you, and Notion will keep it readable. Once it's in, the number will behave like a link, so you can start a call with a single click or tap, depending on your device and settings. That's all there is to it. By adding a properly named phone property and selecting the phone type, you get consistent formatting and instant call links without any extra configuration. It's a small setup that pays off every time you need to reach a contact quickly. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.